Hey guys, welcome to GTrendz India Shoes Expert. I am Gunesh Shegar, the Fooder Explorer. Today we are going to review a new arrival running shoe from the brand Asian. The model is Fusion 02. Today we are going to do the complete review of this particular model, but before that, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon to get the instant updates. Now it's time to get into the video. So guys, this is Asian Fusion 02 model, which is specially made for running purposes, and also you can use this shoe for a training and indoor purpose also. This particular model costs around 1999 rupees as a MRP, but we have provided a purchase link in the description. In that you can get this shoe for 1360 rupees, which is a pretty good offer right now. Now it's time to look into its material, build quality and comfort about this shoe. In every product we need a proper look, right? So in this particular model comes with a grey and ice blue color combination. This particular color combination will suit for many of our outfits. This particular shoe's upper material is completely made up of fly knit fabric material, so which is provide a proper airflow inside the shoe, which will keep our foot always fresh and comfortable. In this particular model, they have provided a proper skin friendly lining material, which provides a extreme comfort for your foot, and also it has a proper heel cup, which will provide proper fit for your foot. This particular shoe, they have used a premium quality lace material, which will provide definitely a long lasting lifetime, and also this particular model is one of the premium quality shoe from the brand of Asian. Like most of the running shoes in this category, in this shoe also have a memory foam insole, so we can look into it. This is a premium quality memory foam material which is used in this particular shoe model, so which will provide a proper comfortable and also long lasting lifetime. This particular model comes with an catchy tagline which is called Running Club. So it's simply a sales stick but really works well. Finally, we have come to the sole material. This particular model has a two combination of sole material. One is pylon sole material and another one is TPR rubber grip sole material. So these two combination are the best combination in the running shoe world, because this particular sole combination will provide a proper grip and comfortable in most of the surface areas. In the shoe, they have provided a pylon sole as a midsole material, which will provide a maximum shock absorption nature and also provide very less weight to the shoe. In this particular model, the shoe's outer grip is really good and functionable. So guys, finally this particular Asian Fusion 02 models comes under 6 to 10 Indian men's size category, and also it comes with 3 different color variants. But I personally like this blue and grey color variant, which looks really good. So guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching.